The Presto 23-quart pressure canner, the safe, healthy, and economical way to preserve produce, meat, and fish. Dealing with a bountiful harvest, whether from your own garden or from local farms, can be a challenge. With freezer space limited, the pressure canner is the answer. With it, you can easily preserve all that home or locally grown goodness, even the bounty from a successful hunting or fishing trip. The Canner's 76-page recipe and instruction book will guide you step by step through any bushel or box you have waiting. Quality Presto pressure canners are made of heavy gauge aluminum and are suitable for use on regular and smooth top ranges. Pressure canning is the only method recommended safe by the USDA for canning low acid foods like vegetables, meat, poultry, and seafood. The Presto pressure canner also doubles as a boiling water bath canner for safely processing fruits, jams, jellies, pickles, and salsa. And it's the perfect pressure cooker or stock pot for large gatherings and even church suppers. The canner is simple to use. Position the canning rack in the canner, add water, and place your prepared jars of food on the rack. Line up the arrows and the cover twists on. It locks in place. Turn on the burner and let the canner vent for a few minutes. Then place the regulator on the vent pipe. As the pressure builds, the air vent cover lock lifts, providing a visual indication of pressure inside the canner. Now allow the pressure gauge to rise to the pressure that's indicated in the recipe. Process for the specified time. Turn off the heat and allow the canner to cool. Savor the fresh taste of in-season foods year-round with the Presto 23-quart pressure canner. Get one today.